everyone, I'm Kelvin. Nice to see you all again. Recently our team has been quite busy with some of the major installation. Okay, today what we have just completed is Maserati surround view camera system. Okay, I'm going to show it to you how it works and integrate into the Maserati infotainment system. Alright, so what you are seeing now is a Maserati 2014 Ghibli. Okay, so I'm going to switch the camera around so that you all can see. So now I'm going to put the car into reverse gear. Okay, so you all can see that the surround view of the whole system. Okay, very clear. This car has a 8.4-inch monitor. It's very good for surround view camera system, as well as for some infotainment setups like TV tuners or even a CarPlay. All right, you will make a beautiful screen for that. All right, so now you are seeing the surround view system when I'm in the reverse mode. So now I'm going to move forward. Okay, now it's in the forward mode. Okay, you see the front over here and the surround view over here, 360 degrees camera surround view. Okay, so when I put into signal, when I signal left, okay, this is what you will see. Okay, you see a 3D image of the car. Okay, you can see the rims. Okay, that's what you want to see most to prevent it from hitting any curbs. And the next thing I put to the right. Okay, same thing. You'll see the rear tires and the front views. Alright, you have a clear look of what is around the cars, and that will have the added safety for parkings as well as for going around tight corners. Alright, so if let's say the car is in the forward mode, for example, and how to get into the surround view UI, surround view image, that will be by pressing the hazard light. All right, the hazard light will act as an activation for this surround view system. Okay, so yes, you see now they have a 30-second cut off, which we can adjust to 15 seconds or even 10 seconds. All right, so assuming that you are in the forward mode, okay, and you want to activate the surround view system, this is what you have to do. Okay, just have to let it flash for one time, and the surround view will be here for another 30 seconds. This aftermarket surround view system that we just installed has now been fully integrated into the Maserati infotainment. Okay, what I mean is that even when you're driving forward and using the radio navigation, right, and you have to turn left or you turn right, so the moment you put the signal into left or right, okay, it will switch into the surround view sides view. All right, so by the time when you finish your turn, okay, you will switch back to the OEM Maserati screen. Okay, I'll show you all again. Now I put to the right. Okay, this is what you will see. Okay, so when you put back to normal, you will switch back to the OEM look of the Maserati infotainment. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.